Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your Apple iPhone is original. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you got a new phone, maybe on the third party, you got it from a friend, eBay, Craigslist, whatever it may be, and you're suspecting that it might be fake or you just want to check it out, I'll show you the steps. The first thing we're going to do is hop into your settings. And we'll scroll down, tap on General, and then Software Update, the second one. What you're going to want to check here is that it says iOS and it has the most recent iOS. So current is 17.1.2. If it allows you to update the iOS, this is one good indication that it has the actual real iOS on it and it's a real iPhone. Now, another thing we're going to do is tap on About here, and we're going to use this serial number to look it up in Apple's system. So tap and hold where it says serial and hit copy. Now that we've done that, let's just open up a web browser, and I just typed in Apple coverage check, and I can tap on this first link. All you have to do is enter in this serial number here for that specific phone, and then enter in this code. So SKNZC, and hit submit. That didn't work. Let's try this, D11SD, and hit submit. So now you can see it shows iPhone 14 Pro. It was purchased in April of 2023, the serial number, the warranty, so everything checks out. If it cannot find that serial number, or if it gives you any kind of warning on here, that's a good indication it's not original. It might be fake or basically refurbished, something like that. Now, another thing to check is there's really good information in the model number for your iPhone. So let's go back into settings here, and you can see my model number right above that serial number starts with an M. And you can check M, the first letter of that model number, equals new. If it starts with an F, then you bought a refurbished or you have a refurbished iPhone. If it starts with N, it's a replacement, basically a replacement for a different iPhone that somebody had. Or P is personalized. Basically, that means somebody etched their name on it or had Apple etch their name on it. So you can see these to basically determine whether that iPhone is new, whether it's refurbished or a replacement, whatever it may be. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.